Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So here are 3 things I learned after my second week of investing in cryptocurrency, and I thought week 1 was crazy. Right now, December 4th, Bitcoin is sitting at 46.8, and I have been DCAing since like 66,000, and it's been a wild ride. But the first thing I want to mention is the type of information that's available here on YouTube. There are, in my opinion, influencer type channels and then actual investment type channels like Cryptos R Us and Investment Answers. If you follow those two guys, very different styles, but they give different perspectives as to how to look at the market and things you might want to look at. So I guess my first caution is be careful what channels you listen to. Some of them are just influencers, but there's I think legitimately people out there like Investment Answers and Cryptos R Us that are really trying to help you through this new space. The second thing I want to mention is just how sensitive the stock market and the cryptocurrency market is to news. Now, for the people that have been doing this for a long time, investors and day traders or whatever, this is just normal news to them. But I'm just impressed with how quickly the markets react to news. I mean, when the new COVID variant was announced, you could just see it drop. And I don't know what's causing this current drop, but it made me aware that there are people out there that react on the drop of a hat to news, and it reflects in both markets instantaneously. So for me, that second thing is you gotta know what's going on in the world. If you see a sudden drop, just check the news so you're not getting yourself into something that might be disastrous. Now, the last thing that I want to bring up is causing me the most stress, and it's more of a logistical thing, and that's always having money on hand to invest in the dip. Now, of course, it's great to have additional income ready to go when that dip comes so you can take advantage of it. The problem I'm having is I can't get my funds into an accessible account. And surprisingly, it's not so much the dropping of the cryptocurrency market that's stressing me out. I think it's kind of fun because you can take advantage of it, but I can't take advantage of it because I can't get my money so that it's usable. So I guess the third thing I learned is not only do you have to have the income available, but you have to have it ready to spend. Well, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the 3 things that I learned after my second week of cryptocurrency trading. I think I now have orders at 46, 45, and 44. Hopefully they can hold me over. But guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.